Hi everyone, welcome back to F the Tech. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to start a successful YouTube channel in 2025, step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to revamp your strategy, this guide will help you get started the right way. We'll cover everything from finding your niche and planning content to optimizing your videos for growth. Let's jump in and turn your YouTube dream into reality. First things first, you gotta figure out what your channel is all about. This is your niche, the core focus that will drive your content. Think of it like this: what gets you hyped? What are you genuinely passionate about? And just as important, what can you share with the world that'll provide real value? Now it's tempting to go broad, but trust me, the more specific your niche, the better. Instead of just fitness, maybe it's home workouts for busy professionals. See how that narrows down your target audience and makes you stand out? Choosing a niche isn't about boxing yourself in, it's about creating a clear lane for yourself where you can really excel and connect with the right audience. This is your chance to build a community around something you love. So, take some time to brainstorm, jot down your interests, skills, and what you think you can consistently create content around. The sweet spot is finding that intersection between your passions and what you can offer to others. Remember, your niche might evolve over time, and that's totally fine. But starting with a clear focus will set you up for success in the long run. Okay, you've nailed down your niche. Now let's talk about the actual content, the meat and potatoes of your channel. This is where you plan out the types of videos you want to create. Will it be tutorials, reviews, vlogs, challenges, or a mix of everything? Consistency is key on YouTube. Having a regular upload schedule keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly, figure out a rhythm that works for you and stick to it. Don't forget about trends. What's hot in your niche right now? Tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, and VidIQ can be your best friends here. They'll give you insights into what people are searching for, helping you create timely and relevant content. Think about your content as a series, even if it's not a literal series. What are the recurring themes or formats that you can build upon? This creates a sense of familiarity for your viewers and makes your channel feel more cohesive. And remember, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Each video should provide value to your audience, whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration. Planning your content might seem like a lot of work up front, but it's the foundation for a successful channel. It keeps you organized, consistent, and ensures you're delivering the content your audience wants. It's time to build your YouTube home. Head over to YouTube and hit that Create a Channel button. First impressions matter, so choose a channel name that's catchy, memorable, and reflects your niche. Instead of John's channel, how about Tech Tips with John? You get the idea. Next up, your profile picture. This is your channel's icon, so make it count. A clean logo or a high-quality photo of yourself works best. Now let's talk about your channel banner. This is prime real estate, people. It's the first thing viewers see when they land on your page. Make it visually appealing, eye-catching, and informative. Include your upload schedule, social media handles, or anything else that gives viewers a quick snapshot of what your channel is all about. Don't worry, you don't need to be a design whiz. Tools like Canva have tons of free templates and resources to help you create a professional-looking banner in minutes. Think of your channel layout as your digital storefront. Keep it clean, organized, and easy to navigate. Make sure your About section is filled out with a compelling bio and links to your other platforms. Setting up your channel is like building your brand on YouTube. Take your time, get creative, and make it a true reflection of you and your content. Now, before you think you need a Hollywood studio to get started, let me stop you right there. You absolutely don't. Here's what you actually need: a decent camera, clear audio, and good lighting. That's it. For starters, your smartphone is more than capable of shooting high-quality video. No need to break the bank on a fancy camera right away. Audio is crucial. People are more forgiving of shaky footage than bad audio. A good microphone doesn't have to be expensive. Something like the Boya Buy M1 is a fantastic budget-friendly option that'll instantly upgrade your sound. Lighting can make or break your video. Natural light is your best friend. If you're shooting indoors, invest in a simple ring light. It'll brighten up your face, eliminate shadows, and give your videos that professional touch. Finally, you'll need some basic editing software to piece everything together. iMovie and DaVinci Resolve are free, while Adobe Premiere Rush is a great affordable option. As you get more comfortable, you can explore more advanced software. Remember, your content is king. Focus on creating engaging and valuable videos first. You can always upgrade your equipment as your channel grows and you start generating revenue. Don't let gear hold you back from getting started. The moment you've been waiting for, creating your first YouTube video. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be you. Start with an introduction video. Keep it simple, genuine, and let your personality shine through. Introduce yourself. Tell your audience what your channel is about and what they can expect to see. Example, script: "Hi, I'm your name, and welcome to my channel. Here you'll find niche topic. I'm so excited to share this journey with you." When uploading, choose a catchy title that accurately reflects your video's content. Think of it as a headline that grabs people's attention. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression. Use bold text, bright colors, and high-quality images that stand out in search results. Don't forget your video description. Use relevant keywords to help people find your video. This is also a great place to add links to your other social media platforms or any resources mentioned in the video. Creating your first video is a huge milestone. Don't overthink it. Just hit record, be yourself, and have fun. You've uploaded your first video, awesome! Now let's talk about getting it seen by as many people as possible. Think of YouTube as a giant search engine. People are constantly typing in keywords to find what they're looking for. Your job is to make sure your videos show up in those search results. How do you do that? By using those same keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Research relevant keywords in your niche and sprinkle them naturally throughout your content. Thumbnails are your silent salespeople. They're the first thing viewers see, so make them count. Use bold text, contrasting colors, and eye-catching imagery that accurately represents your video. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for video suggestions, and foster a sense of community around your channel. The more engaged your audience is, the more YouTube will push your content. Promote your videos on your other social media platforms. Share them with your friends, family, and anyone who might be interested. Growing your channel takes time and effort. There's no magic overnight solution, but by consistently creating high-quality content, optimizing for search, and engaging with your audience, you'll start to see real results. So that's it. You've now got the blueprint to build an awesome YouTube channel. Remember, the key is to be passionate, consistent, and always put your audience first. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and most importantly, have fun along the way. It's not just about the numbers though. It's about creating something you're proud of, connecting with people who share your interests, and maybe even inspiring others along the way. Now go out there, create some awesome content, and who knows, maybe I'll see you on the trending page someday. Peace.